What's up? Homie drew this picture, asked me to clean it up. Let's go. First, decide what background you need. I chose white. You could pick a black background or whatever color. Figure out how to do that first. And then, on your reference image, turn down the opacity to a good level. Alright, it's time to start drawing, but you need to make a new layer first. The layer goes on top of your reference. Figure out what brush size you want and what colors you're gonna use. You can really change the colors in the end, so it doesn't really matter. So, alright, on the brush, there's some settings at the top. I use smoothing so I could get some nice lines, and the smoothing made it easier. Alright, so now I'm on the first layer that I drew, and I separated all my layers. So I made a layer for the head, a layer for the hair, a layer for the body, and I even made a layer for the arm. Okay, this just makes it easier to go back and make changes. Instead of erasing the entire drawing, you just pick a layer and adjust it. Alright, thanks for watching. This is how it ended up turning out. Alright, later.
We was really poor, now we eating. Remember days I wish I kept sleeping. Meet you at the top cause I'm leaving.